I'm Luke Carnell, co-founder and director of WhoFoundWho. In our journey, we were very manual from the start, and that remained for a very long time. So that was the biggest challenge, removing many manual elements. Understanding how we could do that was down to finding the right technology and getting that correct. So that in itself feeds into candidate experience, time to hire quicker, and just overall smooths the process and allows us to grow the business. Spreadsheets, some more spreadsheets, and many pitfall-ridden processes. So relying on human, which in turn sort of caused error, a lot of errors, not to anybody's fault, just because our processes weren't right. So it was very much front to back, manual process, in the CRM, outside the environment, in another environment, back in the environment. So it was riddled with issues and problematic knock-on effects to the candidates. So yeah, very, very manual. First of all, we want to do our job in the best way. We don't want to fail. We don't want to put somebody uncompliant into a school, into an environment. So that was categorically something we wanted to avoid. And that could potentially happen with our previous processes. We had to be on top of a process and then, double, triple up just to make sure that we didn't make a mistake on certain things. But also for us, it's time to hire. It's being more efficient and smoother in the process. Retention of candidates is a real issue in the market as a whole. But for us, being able to level up the candidate experience, being able to be confident in their journey, allowed us and the consultants to be confident in supporting them and delivering results in the best way, and that being a placement. We had 2 failed attempts. And in that journey itself, we knew we wanted something that could streamline the process, make everything much more efficient. And we thought we'd found it with 2. We went through implementation, we had to pull the plug because it just wasn't fit for our purpose. However, that being unsuccessful, the successes were we understood what we wanted. And we wanted something that was user-friendly for internal purposes and external purposes, and something that could also be tailored in a way to how we work. In this round, we didn't do anything differently to the previous 2 partners we tried to implement. It was just the fact that this is a much better product and better suited to us. There was a lack of listening from the previous, whereas we were listened to, understood, and anything we needed tailored, actioned on the onboarded side of things. It's been a game changer for us, and just for so many reasons, and all really positive reasons as well. Internally, chatters have been removed, the efficiency has been improved, numbers have risen with people coming on board, then retention of candidates, which in turn all create placements and growth across the business. That's now crystal clear to see. We are about 4 months in, just over 4 months, and it has been a huge positive impact to the business and the levels of growth that we've experienced in the last 3-4 months. So for us, the biggest improvements have been candidate retention. It's been huge. That has been a real problem, in a candidate short market. That has been a huge factor for us. The candidate journey overall, getting comments like this is the best onboarding experience we've ever had is something that we aim for, and we've had that plenty of times already. The feedback has been consistently positive, and again, overall growth is climbing at a very good rate, and I believe it's truly down to us being able to be more efficient and just overall looking like a more elite onboarding process that matches the rest of our service. We set ourselves apart because we are the most efficient and fluid process that anybody that joins us, if it's a candidate or anybody that partners with us, it's a school, they can be heavily supported and well supported through best processes, best practice, and elite level service.